There are two types of antigens, type A and type B. Antigens serve a purpose with interacting with white blood cells because they act as markers so that when your body is fighting off viruses, they don't attack the healthy red blood cells that are native to your body. They also help determine your blood type. Alleles are sections of DNA, also known as genes. These genes are the code of instructions for how to build antigens. When alleles do not code for either A antigen or a B antigen, the person does not make any antigen and will have an O blood type. In genetics, each person is given two alleles, one for your mother and one from your father, and these alleles determine your blood type. In Model 1, you can see how, depending on the blood type that your parents had, it changes which blood type you'll have. Parents that both have the same blood type can either result in that blood type or an O blood type, in which your body does not make any antigens. Along with same type blood type when given from both your parents, you could also have a mixture with A and B given from one from your father and one from your mother, in which case you could either result in A being dominant, B being dominant, or AB, or even O. Determining blood type is very complicated because there's so many combinations that can happen depending on the blood type. The most varied blood type would be having two parents with one with A and one with B, and that one gives you the most options of blood type. How the four blood types get created, though, depends on the antigens. There's antigen A, antigen B, and if your blood were to create both of those, you would have antigen A, you'd have blood type AB. And if your body were to create none of those, you'd have blood type O. Blood type is important. However, having oxygen in your blood is also very important. Your blood becomes oxygenated when the oxygen molecule connects to the hemoglobin in your blood cell. Now for a quick review on the topics. One of the topics we discussed was how antigens and white blood cells interact. We also discussed how your blood type can be determined, A and B being dominant alleles and O being recessive alleles. We also discussed how oxygen gets introduced to the blood and how it connects to hemoglobin.